My name is Fernando Zaldivar, my partner is Daniella, Granillo, and our purpose for the Rube Goldberg machine is to water this pot of plant. Go.
The first example of a change in energy type from potential to kinetic is when we let go of the ball at the very beginning of the machine process. The ball is first suspended in the air by the string, and then when we let go of the ball, all of that stored potential energy is turned into kinetic and the ball starts spinning around the Coke bottle. The second example of a change in energy would be from potential to kinetic energy, and it occurs when the car starts rolling down the fussball table. Before it starts rolling down, it has a lot of potential energy. Then it changes into kinetic energy that makes it speed down. One example of mechanical advantage is when we have the little pink coin purse drop from the top of the last book to the floor, and it pulls the string through the fixed pulley, which pulls the weight on the other end. The energy generated by the dropped weight is probably less than the one with which the cylinder on the other end is pulled. The first example of momentum is how the car, after going down the inclined fussball table, builds up enough speed, proportionally increasing the momentum enough to take down the first book in the line. The second example of momentum is when the ball drops and starts falling down the ramps. As the ball rolls down, its speed increases proportionally, increasing momentum until it hits the stick, which will knock down the dominoes. An example of work happening in our machine is when our coin purse drops and transfers its energy to the cylinder on the other hand. The amount of work would be equal to the mass of the purse times gravity times the height of the countertop. An example of power would be the same one that we used for work done. The only difference is that after calculating for work done, we would then divide it by the time taken. Friction occurs first when the car rolls down the fussball table. The friction between the surface of the fussball table and the wheels of the car causes the car's wheels to turn. Another example would be the ball rolls down the ramp. The friction between the ramps and the ball is what causes the ball to roll down the ramp rather than to slide.